Choosing the right video editor can be overwhelming, especially when there are so many great options out there. Today we're going to compare Descript and Veed, two great options to finally answer the question which one is the best. In terms of platform support, Veed is available both as a web application and on mobile. On the other hand, Descript has a desktop application for macOS and Windows, but also has a web application for other operating systems. Now, if you want to use Descript on mobile, unfortunately, this is not currently an option. Veed is designed for simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners. Descript, on the other hand, is more powerful but also more complex. It will take a while for a beginner to get used to its interface, and the learning curve is definitely steeper. Both tools make recording your camera and screen extremely convenient. To record in Descript, you just need to click record, then select your camera and screen if you want to record it, and then hit start. Then after a short countdown, we can record. Hi everyone, this is me recording in Descript. And then when we are satisfied, we can click stop. Then it will process for a bit to transcribe the video and to also save it within your project. But after it's completed, you will find it within your recording with the transcript ready to edit. Recording a video in Veed is also extremely easy. We just need to click record, then select what we want to record. In this case, I'm going to record my camera. Then we make sure that we select the right camera and then click record. Then again, after a short countdown, hi everyone, I'm recording my video in Veed. I can click stop. And after it processes it, I can basically see the preview and make sure that it's as I expected. And if I'm satisfied, I can add it to the project directly. And now it's ready for editing. Descript's flagship feature is transcript-based editing, which allows you to edit the video by editing its transcript. This makes it as easy as editing a Google Doc and can save hours in longer edits. Veed, on the other hand, focuses a lot more on one-click features, things that with one click can get you closer to your goal. For example, you can add the music to your video, you can optimize it for different socials, translate it in different languages, and many more. Both tools are packed with AI features. Because audio is so important in videos, both Descript and Veed include tools to enhance your voice recordings. In Veed, this is called Clean Audio, whereas in Descript, this is called Studio Sound. Both tools allow you to generate high-quality voiceovers using AI. This can be helpful for when you want to quickly put together a video and don't want the hassle of recording. One super handy feature of Descript is called Overdub, and it allows you to fix the mistakes you made while recording by just selecting the transcript and then clicking Regenerate. Descript will then use AI to fix the mistake. Talking about Veed, one very handy feature is called Magic Cut, and it allows you to, at a click of a button, automatically cut your video. Descript has something similar within the Underlord menu, but it's not as easy to use. Talking about the pricing, Veed starts at around $10 per month, going up to $26 per month for the more premium plan. Descript, on the other hand, starts at $12 per month, going all the way up to $40, depending on how much you want to use their AI features. So choose Veed if you care about simplicity, for example, if you want to create simple videos for social medias, whereas Descript might be a better fit if you want more power and customization, or you want to create script-heavy content in which the transcript-based editing can really save a lot of time. If you're considering using Descript or Veed to create educational content like tutorials, courses, and product demos, then let me tell you, I don't think that either of the two is the best tool for the job. My favorite tool is called Borumi. With Borumi, you can decide the structure of your video in the built-in editor, which is very similar to Notion and Google Docs. Then you can record every scene separately, retrying as many times as you want. This is very convenient because it allows you to split the recording into smaller chunks, which are much easier to manage. And then you can edit the video in the built-in editor. Here you can trim the clips, either in the timeline or using the powerful transcript-based editing. You can also select nice-looking layouts, remove the noise, and so much more. Finally, you can export your video ready to be published to your platform of choice. You can get access to Borumi by visiting borumi.com.